Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can customize notifications icon on status bar here in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. This is status bar. If you see something here, this is called notifications icon. Okay, see here. If you want to customize notifications icons, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone here and go to notifications, and here select advanced settings, and here click on show notifications icons, and you have three options, three most recent. So that's what here showing, three most recent notifications icons only be showing. Okay, for three most recent notifications only those notifications icons will be showing here. If you select second one, number of notifications only, then you will get how many notifications you have, that number will be displaying. So here in my phone 6 notifications will be there totally. Okay, if you select third one, none, there will be no notifications icon showing in the status bar. Okay, whether if you receive notifications or not, it will not show notifications icon on the status bar. So if you select the first one, three most recent, then the most recent notifications icons will be showing here. In this way, you can easily customize whether how it should be, how it should show on the status bar for notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. In this way, you can easily customize notifications icons. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.